All right. Well, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 15th Humor Research Conference. And I have here Dr. Shelby Miller, one of the co-organizer, and Hame Meng, a student organizer. And then there are other people will be or the organizing committee will join us later, and then we will introduce and thank the whole committee in the closing session at the end of the conference. You know, as I was saying, I'm delighted that you're all here for a number of reasons. The first one is that this is the largest ever HRC since the beginning of the conference. We have, in fact, as of today, 167 participants registered for the conference, and there will be a total of over 55 papers presented throughout the conference, including the 3 keynotes, 3 posters, 1 workshop, and that's not counting the 3 workshops that we had yesterday, which went all quite well. So this is getting to be a very large event, much larger than what we anticipated, by the way. You know, originally the conference was supposed to be a local gathering, and that's why we called it Northeast Texas Humor Research Conference. And if you look at the logo, it says NET, that stands for Northeast Texas. Then we changed it to Humor Research Conference because it didn't look serious and people were having trouble getting funded. Then we switched online, and the rest is history, as they say. The other thing is I don't know exactly how many time zones the presenters and the participants are in, but we're probably not doing all of them, but we're coming very, very close. And in the process of doing the schedule for the conference, I've become strangely acquainted with strange time zones, including some with a 30-minute bonus and stuff like that. But I did my best to get people to present at times that were normal. But a few people are presenting in the middle of the night, and I understand that that's difficult. So just a couple of housekeeping things. So first of all, please keep yourself muted at all time unless you are going to ask a question at the end of the conference. Especially if we have like 40, 50 people logged in at the same time, it's going to be very difficult for the speaker if they hear random noises in the background. Okay, and sometimes we don't realize that we're not muted, so one of the hosts will mute you. You know, if you're not the speaker, we will mute you. Okay, don't be offended. It's just the way it goes. The other thing is, please turn on your camera. It's very disorienting for the speakers if what they see is a wall of names and maybe still pictures. Now, obviously, we understand there are times where you need to turn off the camera for whatever reason. We don't need to know. And if that's the case, turn off your camera, do whatever you have to do, and then turn your camera back on. Okay? So if you can please turn on your camera, just as a form of politeness for the speakers, we would appreciate it very much. I see that Dr. Hempelman has joined us as well, also one of the faculty organizers. Dr. Miller, am I forgetting anything I needed to announce?
No, I don't think so. Maybe I'll just add that the poster session Q&A is not till Sunday, but since our schedules are so packed leading up to those, I just wanted to remind you to maybe during lunch sometime fit in fit in time to check out those 3 pre-recorded poster presentations before the Q&A on Sunday, and I'll put the link in the chat.
Thank you. Yes, that's a very good point. The other thing is you need to be careful. You were sent 7 links for the conference. So there's one for the morning, there's one for the afternoon, and there's one special on Sunday for the poster session. So don't click back on the same link because it will take you to basically a dead link and nobody will be there. Okay. So be careful where you click in the emails with the links of to the conferences. All right. So Hamid can stop recording this, and then we're going to start right away.